Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to upload an iMovie video to YouTube on iPad. So first go to the project, and after you're finished editing, go to done and hit the share button below the screen, at the bottom of the screen. Then go to save video to save the video to your camera roll. And yes, the movie was exported to your library. Go to YouTube and then click on the plus button, and you have to allow access to your camera, photos and microphone. So and then click on the video you just saved. Yep. And then fill the details and click on next and choose if it's made for kids or not. Yes, it's made for kids. And upload it to your video. So that's it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Bye. Subscribe.